Look, a baby buffalo. We call it a calf, or in Vietnam, we call nghé. This one is about 6 months old and still loves drinking milk from its mom. But guess what? When a buffalo is born, it already tries to stand up within 30 minutes. It wobbles, stumbles, and takes its very first steps just to find mom and drink sweet, warm milk. Just like human babies, buffalo calves need milk to grow strong. So sweet, right? After all that effort, this tiny calf gets tired, so it lies down and falls asleep under the golden sun. So peaceful, right? By 2 months old, buffalo calves start nibbling on grass and hay. And by 4 months, milk is no longer the main food, just a little dessert treat now and then. By 6 months, some calves may start to wane, but many still enjoy milk from mom, especially if mom isn't pregnant again yet. They grow stronger each day, learning to graze and live like real buffalo. Buffalo moms are usually calm, especially when they trust the people nearby. This mom lets Mon watch her baby up close. So gentle, so sweet. But not every buffalo mom is this chill. Some get super serious, like this mama.
Who are you? Why are you filming my baby?
Every buffalo mom has her own personality. Some are relaxed, some are protective, but all of them love their babies so much. Curious and gentle, buffalo babies love to explore the world around them. Every smell, every sound is a new adventure. Look at those ears and that tail. Buffalo calves flick their ears and tails to chase away horseflies, also called buffalo flies in some places. In the countryside, buffaloes are part of the family. They help farmers plow the land and they live close to people. Even the babies walk beside their mothers all day long. They may not run fast like a horse, but when they play, it's the cutest thing ever. And yes, buffalo calves love water. Some even start swimming when they're just a few weeks old. As the sun sets, the buffaloes head home. What a peaceful life in the fields. Buffalo calves are calm, gentle, and full of wonder. Do you love them too? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more animal adventures.